Hi everyone! Welcome back for another vlog, and for today's video, I am going to walk you through on how to change or set nickname in your Instagram. So if you want to know more, make sure to finish this video and follow the simple steps. So we need to head on to our Instagram application and go to the homepage. So as you can see, this is now the homepage of Instagram. So we need to head on to here, the message button. So click on that, and as you can see, this is now our messages. These are the set of messages that we have on our Instagram account. So click on the message over the people that you would like to edit their nickname or set their nickname, and just click in this. So click in there, and as you can see, this is the pop-up that will going to show on your screen once you've touched on the upper left corner. And next is you need to click on, as you can see here, there is change name and photo. So click on that and just click on change group name. So you could put the name that you would like to add in here. So Tefi, save. And for the people, these are the people that included in here. So also, if you change or tap the same button that you tap a while ago to be able to edit the group name, it will gonna allow you to change group photo. So change or choose the photo that you would like to add in this group, and just proceed on, click done in there. So as you can see, that's how easy it is, guys, to change the name of the group that you are into on your Instagram. So unfortunately, guys, as of the moment, for the single person that you are chatting with, you cannot yet edit or put nicknames to them. As you can see, there's just only options for restrict, block, or report, and there's no option to edit the nickname or username of the person that you are chatting with. So let's just wait for Instagram to update that feature for us to be able to use it in the future. So that's how easy it is, guys, and that's only the tutorial for this video. I hope that you learned something new today and you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit and give us a thumbs up, as well as hit the subscribe button and notification bell for you to get updated on our latest update. Thank you for watching.